Hey everyone, Granny Dolores, her grandma, is making pancakes for us because she's a queen and I love her. I've been having a sleepover with Lily for like 3 nights in a row.
Oh God, I just poked myself in the damn eye, but we just finished editing this video.
We finished editing a video that we made like 3 months ago. And we were like, let's watch it, it's so funny. And we watched it, we thought it was done, and there was no music.
Oh, I hurt my eye. Oh my God.
Girl, stop hurting yourself.
I was picking my nose and I poked my eye.
She's going on vacation. She's leaving today. She's leaving me. Yeah. So be prepared for a whole bunch of vlogs of me crying. We're insane.
If you want to go on my channel, Double the Stupid,
I'm going to be keeping tabs on her.
I will have videos on there, just aesthetic videos. I'll be traveling a lot, so I'm going to have a lot of traveling videos.
She's been gone for 2 months. What am I even going to do for 2 months?
Hashtag hate.
Hating ourselves. I'm going to New York, guys. So
exactly, you're going to New York.
I'm going to New York. So it's gonna be my first time going to New York. So I'm gonna film a lot. I'm going to see a Broadway show. I'm gonna film it. So be prepared for a video in New York. Be like, hi, what's your name? Dan? Oh, that's a cool name. How old are you? This is a casual vlog, and we're just laying in bed. We've been laying in bed. It's like 1:50 right now. And we're just laying in bed. We've been up since like 10 a.m. Lily, why is your skin so perfect?
Girl, it's not.
Suck a motherfucking dick.
Yes, it is. What stories can we tell? Because we have lots of things that we've done together. I got a fire.
I got a drink.
You're like an alcoholic. It's root beer. Am I right? Dang it! Lily, do you want to, like, play music?
Excuse me.
Oh my God. She does this all the time, though.
Hi, guys.
Ooh.
The only thing that twerks are my thighs. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need.
Yeah, what do you need?
Your ass. You almost freaking crushed them, dude.
Oh my God, you touched my vagina. Yeah. I haven't washed my hair in 3 days.
I just snotted.
Ew. Ew.
You're like too close to me. I gotta have some room.
Oh, she has to have space. Only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with Lily.
I just threw it in my mouth. It tastes like Diet Root Bear pie.
I hate root
Maybe a little bile.
I got jump scared by Granny Dolores. Okay, I'm gonna put pants on, and I'll be right back. We're hungry. Pancakes. Welcome to our mukbang.
Hi.
We are eating pancakes at 2 p.m. I brought my cheer wine. Watch her video to find out how I have it.
It's like
Go to her channel, Double the Stupid. Subscribe. Exactly. I'm keeping that. Turns it to max volume. Okay, now we're just gonna eat our pancake like this. It's really yummy. Hello. I love you.
I'll be more.
I love you most.
I'll be more than most.
I love you most.
I love you to infinity and beyond. Can't beat that.
I love you to infinity and beyond times infinity.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can. I'm the one that said it first, so therefore I love her more, obviously. In the comments below, comment who loves who more.
Well, you're shorter than me, so you can't love me more.
I have less room, which means the more love I make, the more it has to go out to you.
Oh, dang. That made a lot of sense. That makes sense because she, can't have as much in her, but she gives it out to me, and I'm bigger, and I can take it in.
That's so cute!
I love our relationship.
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend.
Hey now, this is my dream.
I'm gonna go home and cry, and I'm gonna film it, and I'm like, I just miss Lily so much. I got 3. This is my second one that I'm eating, but I feel like I need 6. Once I ate pancakes, and they were like blueberries. Hey, Aunt Pam.
already ate all mine.
How many did you have?
3.
You're a fast eater. Ooh, look at that butt. Hey, say hi to the camera, Aunt Pam. That's Aunt Pam.
Hi.
Lily's great aunt. She's pretty lit. She's pretty lit.
Great is in fantastic.
Yeah, great.
not old.
Yeah, great as in like magnificent. Stay with me. Oh, won't you stay with
Do
me?
it first, okay?
You're really slow at eating. Hurry.
My phone.
Andale, andale, andale.
Oh.
The kids are depressed.
Are you still gonna eat that?
Yeah, it's not dirty. Are you ready for this? Watch this. Watch intently.
Look at my heart.
Look at her heart. Her heart is so beautiful. Just like her.
Remember I said that?
Lily dies when she eats too fast. That's why I eat slow.
There's my hiccups. I burp when I hiccup.
Take my plate to the kitchen. I love you. Thank you guys, and thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe to Lily at Double the Stupid. She's pretty lit.
1, 2, 3, and a.
You guys are my son. Thanks for loving me a ton. I would be nowhere without you. Please subscribe.